Enjoy some alliteration with me. It's your boyfriend's birthday and you're broke. It's okay. All is not lost just because you're feeling low on cash. It just means you have to be a little more creative. Well, here at whattogetmy.com, we are the self-proclaimed experts for gift giving for any budget. So let's tuck into some birthday ideas for your boyfriend when you have no money. Make it yourself. A personalized gift can mean way more than a big expensive gift. So if you have a crafty heart, then go ahead and make something for your mister. You could design a photo book or exercise your calligraphy skills with some elaborate romantic notes, or pull together a shadow box out of your shared memories together. A romantic picnic. Sometimes the simplest things are the best things. Treat your loved one to a picnic. You can make it in nature or in the middle of the city park. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you organize everything, bring your boyfriend's favorite food, drinks, and music, and that's it. Coupons. If you can't decide what to do for your boyfriend on his birthday, let him choose. Make coupons for your boyfriend and write activities on them, such as watch a movie, play a game, give a massage, etc. Your boyfriend gets to choose what he wants to do and when. It's truly one of the most generous things you can do for him on his birthday. Scavenger hunt. There's one more simple thing you can do if you want to surprise your boyfriend on a budget. You can set up a scavenger hunt for him. Hide little notes all over yours or his place and lead your boyfriend from one love note to another. He'll have so much fun while wandering around and discovering little notes, not to mention how much he'll appreciate the effort. Game night. Not sure how to celebrate a birthday in a unique way? We have one more great suggestion for you. Organize a game night for your boyfriend. You can invite his friends too, or just spend the night together. There are so many board games for 2 or 10. You only need some chips and drinks, and that's about it. See? We told you we have lots of fun and interesting ideas for your boyfriend when you're on a tight budget. No breaking the bank here. What about you? We'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments section. You know what else is free? Giving us a little like, share, and subscribe. Have fun, lovebirds, and we'll see you soon.